Hey, what's up guys? It's Charlie with KP Studios, and I wanted to give you guys a quick tour of our facilities in Northeast Minneapolis. Alright, we'll just start on the left here, and no studio is complete without a super comfy couch. And these are our diffusion / absorption panels. So you can see throughout the studio we have these absorption panels, even on the ceiling. And what this does is it helps absorb the sound frequencies, and it gives you a cleaner sound, and it gives you basically a truer sound, so it's easier to mix and master. And you're just hearing what's coming out of the speakers, not the reverberations around the room. And then we also have our Roland TD20SX V drum set. So if you wanted to lay down some drums, you could do that live. And then it just plugs right into our computer system, so it's really easy to record, and you can get the perfect drum mix. And now moving over to our side DJ table, this has the DJM 900 Nexus 2s along with a pair of CDJ 2000 Nexus 2s. So these are the industry standard DJ CDJ players. So if you want to just practice DJing, these are here. So just let us know if you need them and they will be set up for you. And then moving on, we've got a big TV here. So we've been doing some live streams. So if people want to do a live stream and DJ it, they can watch like the chat and interact with the people that are watching the streams. And now moving on to the control station. So as you can see, we have 3 different sets of monitors. We've got the Yamaha HS8s, we've got the Rokit 5s, and then we also have Avantone cubes for more of a mid-range. So you have 3 different ways to listen to your tracks and mix and master off of those. And then moving on to our peripherals, we have an Ableton Push 2. It's a top-of-the-line Ableton controller. And we also have the Komplete S61 MKII. So this allows you to just pick a sample straight from the keyboard. And then down here we've got an Apple mouse and keyboard, and we can always swap these out for a Windows Logitech one if you're running Windows. And down here we have a little slot for putting your laptop in. I've got my Mac plugged in right now, but we also have a Mac Mini that stays in the studio. And if you want to just plug in your laptop, it's as simple as plugging in an HDMI and USB. And then finally we've got our audio interface / monitor to control, and then we can also record directly from there. So I'll show you guys the vocal booth next. So here we'll walk into our vocal booth, and you can see it is really acoustically treated really well in here. We've got the thick foam bass traps, and then we also have these are sonic diffusers on the far wall as well as the ceiling. So a lot of vocal booths, you kind of get that boxy sound, but with the sonic diffusers, it helps bounce that sound around and gets rid of the boxiness. And then we've got our Rode NT2 microphone and a set of Beyerdynamic headphones. And then you can just look right through there and communicate with the people who are recording you. And we also have an LTD bass and guitar, so if you wanted to record guitar or bass, you could just plug it right into our audio interface. And we also have Native Instruments Guitar Rig plugin, so you can get any sound that you want from the guitar or bass. And like I said before, we've got acoustic treatment all throughout the room. We actually worked with an acoustician from GIK Acoustics. We made like a 3D layout and sent that to him, and then he gave us back the exact acoustic treatment that we needed and where to place it. So this one actually is even on a hinge. So yeah, you can put that out, and that takes care of all the first points of reflection, even on the ceiling. So you get a really crystal clear sound coming from the monitors. And all the LEDs are Alexa controlled. So if you want to change the mood, you could just be like, Alexa, Studio Blue. And boom, switched up the mood in the room. And we also have a window in the corner there if you wanted to go au natural. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour of the studio. Remember, you can book directly on our Facebook page at KP Studios MN. You can book with or without a sound engineer, and we are open 24 hours per day as long as you have studio time. So, hope to see you here soon. Peace!